We'll guide you through how to unmerge cells in Excel. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because merged cells in Excel can make sorting, filtering, copying, or editing data difficult. First, open Microsoft Excel on your desktop and wait for the program to finish loading completely before moving to the next step. Once everything is ready, press the Ctrl and O keys together on your keyboard to open the file browsing window. After the window appears, go directly to the search bar so you can quickly find the file you want to edit. Tap on the search bar with your mouse, then carefully type the name of your file in order to locate it faster. When the correct file appears in the results, select the file by clicking on it once. Next, drag your mouse pointer down to the Open button at the bottom of the window. Click on the Open button to load the selected file into Excel. After the spreadsheet opens, make sure that your file already contains merged cells that you want to separate. Next, drag your mouse pointer over the merged cells so you can highlight them properly. Tap on the merged cells to confirm that they are selected. After that, right-click on the selected area to open a list of options. From the menu that appears, go to the Format Cells option and click on it to open the Settings panel. Next, go to the Alignment section inside the panel where the cell formatting options are displayed. Locate the Merge Cells checkbox in that section. Tap on the checkbox to remove the check mark so the cells become unmerged. Finally, press the OK button to close the panel and save the changes you made to the worksheet. Once the cells are unmerged, the information that was previously inside the merged area will stay in the first cell, while the surrounding cells become separate again. You can now edit, resize, copy, or organize the cells individually without formatting problems caused by merged cells. If needed, repeat the same process for other merged sections in the worksheet until they are separated. Before closing Excel, review the spreadsheet and confirm that the layout still looks organized, readable, and ready for additional editing or updates later on easily.